Hello friends, welcome to my channel Digital Wave. In this artificial intelligence tutorial, today we will discuss knowledge representation. So let's start our session. What is knowledge representation? So humans are best at understanding, reasoning and interpreting knowledge. So human knows things which is knowledge, and as per their knowledge they perform various actions in the real world. But how machine do all these things come under knowledge representation and reasoning. So here we can describe the knowledge representation in some terms. So we can say like it is a way which describe how we can represent knowledge in the artificial intelligence. Knowledge representation and reasoning is the part of artificial intelligence which concerned with AI agents thinking and how thinking contribute to intelligent behavior of agents. It is responsible for representing information about the real world so that a computer can understand and can utilize this knowledge to solve the complex real world problem, such as diagnosis a medical condition or communicating with human in natural language. It is also a way which describe how we can represent knowledge in artificial intelligence. Knowledge representation is not just storing data into some databases, but it also enable us intelligent machine to learn from that knowledge and experience so that it can be behave intelligently like a human. Now next term is what are the things we have to represent in the artificial intelligence. So here we will have some kind of knowledge which needs to be represented in the AI system. So first one is object. So what is object? All the facts about object in our world domain, like we can say a person or a student or an employee is also like an object, or we can say like guitars containing strings, trumpets are the brass instruments. So these all are the objects. Second term is the event. So event are the actions which occur in our world. Third term is performance. It describes behavior which involves knowledge about how to do things. Next term is meta knowledge. So we also learn this thing from the database management system. There we have a term metadata. As it is, we have a term meta knowledge in artificial intelligence. So it is knowledge about what we know. Next term is the facts. So facts are the truth about the real world and what we represent. And the last term is the knowledge base. So the central component of knowledge based agent is the knowledge base. It is represented as KB. The knowledge base is a group of sentences, or we can say group of information. Now we will see what is the meaning of knowledge. So knowledge is awareness or familiarity gained by experiences of facts, data and situations. In the artificial intelligence we have some type of knowledges. So we will discuss every type of knowledge step by step. So first one is the declarative knowledge. Declarative knowledge is known about something. Like if we are talking about the declarative knowledge, then it is to know about something. If we want to know about something, that is the declarative knowledge. It includes concept, facts and objects. It also called descriptive knowledge and expressed in declarative sentences. It is simpler than procedural language. Next term is the procedural knowledge. This procedural knowledge is also known as imperative knowledge. Procedural knowledge is a type of knowledge which is responsible for knowing how to do something. It can be directly applied to any task, and it includes rules, strategies, procedures, agendas, etc. Procedural knowledge depends on the task on which it can be applied. Next knowledge is the meta knowledge. So meta knowledge is all about the other type of knowledge that is called as meta knowledge. Next term is the heuristic knowledge. So heuristic knowledge is representing knowledge of some experts in a field or subject. Heuristic knowledge is rules of thumb based on previous experiences, awareness of approaches, and which are good to work but not guaranteed. Next knowledge is structural knowledge. So structural knowledge is basic knowledge to problem solving. It describes relationship between various concepts such as kind of, part of, and grouping of something. So it describes the relationship that exists between the concept of the object. Now we will see the relationship between the knowledge and intelligence, how the knowledge has relationship with the intelligence. So knowledge of real world plays a vital role in intelligence, and same for creating artificial intelligence. Knowledge plays an important role in demonstrating intelligent behavior in AI agents. An agent is only able to accurately act on some input when he has some knowledge or experience about the input. Let's suppose if you met some person who is speaking in a language which you don't know, then how you will be able to act on that. The same thing applies to the intelligent behavior of the agent. So here we will understand this relationship with this diagram. So there is one decision maker which act by sensing the environment and using the knowledge. But if the knowledge part will not present there, then it cannot display intelligent behavior. Okay, so this is how we can describe the relationship between the knowledge and intelligence. Now we will see and understand the artificial intelligence knowledge cycle. So an artificial intelligence system has some components for displaying intelligent behavior. First one is perception, second one is learning, third one is the knowledge representation and reasoning, and then planning and execution. We will understand this AI knowledge cycle with the help of block diagram. So here we will see the block diagram of AI knowledge cycle. So this diagram is showing how an AI system can interact with the real world and what components helps it to show intelligence. AI system has perception component by which it retrieve information from its environment. It can be visual, audio, or another form of sensory input. The learning component is responsible for learning from data captured by perception compartment. In this complete cycle, the main components are the knowledge representation and the reasoning. These two components are involved in showing the intelligence in machine like humans. These two components are independent with each other but also coupled together. The planning and executions depend on the analysis of knowledge representation and reasoning. So this is how we have understand about the knowledge representation, and we have also studied some the types of the knowledge and AI cycles and the relationship between the knowledge and intelligence. So if you feel that you gain some knowledge from this video tutorial, then please subscribe our channel, and we are also available on Facebook, so you can follow us by clicking given link in the description box. So please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.